Stop checking your favorite website for updates manually every single hour. You can automate it. You can build a simple Python tracking bot in just a few lines of code. We are setting up a localized data stream scanner that reads information blocks instantly. This method completely avoids hitting complex network firewalls or getting blocked by strict website security walls. We define our target tracking keyword right here in the variable, and then we use a clever case-insensitive logic check to filter out any annoying capitalization errors. This ensures our automation script runs flawlessly every single time without crashing. When we hit execute, the automated scanner initializes, takes a processing pause, and boom, a clean success alert drops right into the console.